Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about punctuation marks. Punctuation marks are special symbols we use in writing. They help us read sentences correctly, understand the meaning, and know when to pause, stop, ask, or show feelings. Now, let us learn some common punctuation marks with examples. So first one is full stop. A full stop is used at the end of a sentence. It shows that the sentence is complete. For examples, I like apples. She is my friend. So next one is comma. A comma is used to show a short pause. It is also used to separate items in a list. For examples, I have a pen, pencil and eraser. Yes, I will come. Question mark. A question mark is used at the end of a question. For examples, what is your name? Where are you going? Exclamation mark. An exclamation mark shows strong feelings like happiness, surprise, or excitement. For examples, wow, that is great. Happy birthday. So next one is apostrophe. An apostrophe is used to show ownership or short forms. For examples, this is Rohan's bag. I can't go. Next, quotation mark. Quotation marks are used to show what someone speaks. For examples, she said, I am happy. The teacher said, be quiet. Colon. A colon is used before a list. For examples, I need these things: books, pens, and pencils. Semicolon. A semicolon joins two related sentences. For examples, I like tea. She likes coffee. He studied hard. He passed the exam. Hyphen. A hyphen joins two words together. For examples, part-time job, mother-in-law. Brackets. Brackets are used to extra information or details. For examples, I live in Delhi, the capital of India. She won the prize, first position. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.